Hello there everyone, welcome back to Ants Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic, do ants live in houseplants? In this video, we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. Ants can live in houseplants because they are attracted to plant sap, live inside the soil, enchanted by the aroma, eat their leaves to get nectar, get food from other insects and plants, and find a food source nearby. You can use lemon and citric juice, white vinegar, homemade ant killer, essential oils, and repotting the soil to get rid of these ants. Ants are the most common species that can enter any place in the house and make their colonies and nest if they find a suitable condition in this place. Indoor plants are their favorite as they get the necessary food products and other essential things to survive inside the house. They live in the house plants for many reasons and lay eggs there to build the colonies. Some of the reasons for ants inside indoors will be discussed in this video. Plants contain sap inside the roots and the leaves, and there are two kinds of saps inside the leaves such as phylum and xylem. Most insects are attracted to the phylum sap, which contains different food nutrients, inorganic salts, waste materials, and nitrogenous compounds. Ants are attracted to this plant sap because it contains more sugar, and the insects releasing the sugar or honeydew reside inside these plants, which causes the ants to live inside them. Plant soil contains different organic matter which attract ants to the potted soil, and they live inside the pots. The soil provides them shelter and they build their nest and colonies inside the soil. Moreover, you water the flowers daily to keep them alive and fresh. The moisture inside the soil also causes the insects to come and live there, which leads to infestation if you do not get rid of them soon. They can lay their eggs inside the soil and protect the larvae until they become adults and start working to get food and reproduce more eggs. They can decay the soil and flowers if the infestation is severe and you notice it too late, as moisture and dark places are their favorite to live and thrive for a long time. They are attracted to certain plants as they release scents that captivate the insects towards the flowers and leaves. Many plants attract ants such as peony, small stonecrop, roses, hostess, yellow lady slippers, penstemon, marigold, and pumpkin. They release the aromas which cause the insects to live around or inside potted soil. They grow slowly and the flowers grow near the stem. They lick the plant sap from the flowers and leaves without causing structural damage. Organic mulch attracts them because it provides a humid, warm, and a suitable environment for these insects to live and reproduce. Ants are the insects that love nectar and they eat the leaves, flowers, nectar, and fungus on the leaves. They bite the leaves, take the leaves into their nest, and allow the fungus to grow on them. The fungus causes the leaves to root and break down the cell wall, which makes it easy for ants to eat them. Different plants produce sugar nectar, which attracts them to live in the house plants and get their food from the nutrients and nectar. Ants are attracted to other insects residing on the house plants such as aphids, mealybugs, whiteflies, and scales. For example, aphids release honeydew, which causes them to attract to the plants residing in aphids. They protect the aphids from predators to keep getting the honeydew from these insects, as they share a good relationship. They help and protect each other from predators and work for mutual benefits. The insects like scales and mealybugs release sugar secretions which attract the ants and make their nest inside the house plant. They are safe for the ants to build their nest because of the warm, damp, and comfortable environment. They prefer to live in warm, dark, and moist places because they can reproduce, lay eggs, and save their larvae from predators. They can live there for months if you do not notice them, and they start increasing their numbers to form colonies or nest. The warm and comfortable environment causes the larvae to grow faster and multiply into hundreds. Then they hide deep inside the soil and move out to get food for their teammates. They can travel to other places inside the house if they sense any danger in their old living place and infest different places. Thanks for watching the video.